Hi, welcome to Dave's Travel Again, and today we're taking you to St. Paul de Vence in the French Riviera. It's a very artistic town with lots of galleries, and it's a short ride from Nice or Cannes or Monaco. There's our famous bus 655. It goes to the Gare. Oh, you can hear the bell ring. Nice tree. We have made it after many mishaps. A very popular place to drink and eat and play bocce ball. And we are entering the old town through these little alleyways. Guess they're getting ready for Christmas stuff. It's gonna be lots of hills climbing. I guess there was a fortress before. There's a cannon. Here we are going through the tunnel. We have made it to St. Paul de Vence. It's in the mountains above. Some villas there, homes, and there you can see the Mediterranean Sea and probably Cannes. Ooh, is this the bakery? It's the tiniest little things ever. 0.9 euro? Oh, this is the caramelized onion. Chicken. Oh, this jambon. It's like little bites. What's this place? Is this the bakery they'd say? Here's all the art galleries. Useless galleries. Oh my god, she's missing her inner self here. Where is she? See-through. Let's see who else there is. Oh my god, look at this guy. He's see-through too. Cool. That is so weird. She's missing a body. More galleries. More galleries. Here we are in the center where the fountain is. No people. It's good because we're here a little early. Look at that. The viewpoint from the top of the edge, this little white tree, and then we're gonna find what number is Marc Chagall's tomb. There are many famous people buried there too. We're entering the cemetery, the catacombs, where famous people have been buried. Specifically, Marc Chagall. He's the most famous one here. He lived here for a while. And there is the plots not too sure which one it is. Okay, let's take a look. Plot number 8 or something. Chagall. Can't go wrong. There's Chagall, this one. It's got most boring one. Just all these people. Just people wrote things here. We're back at the bakery. Okay, here we are back at the bakery now. Almost done. Here we're back to this guy. Back to Pinocchio and Mickey Mouse. Snoopy. Pink Panther. Wine of St. Paul. See what wines we got. Is it a vineyard? Not much here. Okay, we're continuing our tour. Near the end, close to the cemetery. There's a lot of, looks like maple leaves. Changing colors. Very colorful area here. And there's azalea. Tropical. What is it? Wash your hands. What is this? Candy shop? Guess there's no samples. Okay, we're going back into the village for the 50th time. The old town. See the same people. Here we go. We're having our little picnic. Got a nice hunk of spinach quiche for €3.8. Got some brie, got from the hotel, really nice, Presidente. I'm gonna throw it in my baguette with my jambon sandwich and a baguette. We got raisin pain and a croissant. All we're missing is some wine. €3 wine we're missing.
Yeah, look, you hardly jumped. Hello, you're like a foot taller than me. Is it like ready to eat?
Okay, we've picked some morning glory seeds. There's some magpies in the tree. We're walking the outer part of the hiking trail. It's just more scenic to see the surrounding hills and playing bocce ball. Probably came from Italy, that sport. See that red ball? They're trying to get as close as possible as that. He was just trying to knock that guy out. These guys are practicing. Ooh, it's the woman's turn. Let's see. So getting close, not bad.
Thanks for joining Dave's Travel in St. Paul de Vence on the French Riviera. Don't forget to subscribe and like.